So I'm replacing this guy, and I'm certain I'm gonna have to cut this bottom piece. Because look how close I am to this pipe. But I got the exact same valve because somebody put this back together somehow, and would you look at this? Whoever the last guy was nice enough to put a date on the valve. So yeah, that's supposed to be changed way more often than every 10 years. But you can also look at the serial number. The first 2 digits is the year 11. On our new one, the first 2 digits are 25, right? Yeah. So let's throw you right over here. Yeah. Nice. Okay, we're installed. We're going to open up our valves and make sure she holds. Throw our pump back on. Looks good. Let's pop it off, make sure she stops. So you can open this, right? And then it all comes out. Nice. Now, if we look at the bottom of the old one, let's use the stem to open it up. See that the rubber is indented and just has some schmutz on it. Now the valve should be replaced regularly anyways, so it's good to replace this guy. I know it's not over temperature or over pressure. Look inside here, you can see again, that's how it operates. Nice. On the inside of a new one, fresh out of the box, there's the rubber. Yep. Open you up. Take a look inside. There's no indentation. There's no indentation in this rubber. So I'm going to put this one to replace that ancient thing. Nice. That was a bit of a pain, but not too shabby. Valves are open, pumps are on, boiler is on. There's a pipe I had to remove. What the schmutz inside that? This valve has to have been there since install. Ugh. Toasty. Now, why did that valve survive and the newer-ish one failed? I'm not sure. I really don't know. I did check that none of my boilers are overpressurizing or overheating, and that my expansion tank is fine. The way to check an expansion tank is you have to know what type of tank you have, first of all. Mine is a diaphragm type. In the center is a rubber diaphragm that flexes. The air side, in this case the bottom side, should be the same PSI as whatever the water side is. Mine is around 12 PSI. And comes from the factory at 12 PSI. So a way to check and test them is you check the water side. Sounds pretty full. And the air side sounds hollow. So expansion tank's fine, no over temperature, no over pressurizing. I'd like to say that I think the cause of failure is not getting water tested. This is non-toxic glycol being fed into the system that turns to that color. I tested the water once a few years ago, but this customer just likes to fix problems when they happen. So I've had to repair and replace pumps quite often here. Fill it up with glycol, find leaks in the system downstream. I think the next thing to go is the boilers. But anyways, problem solved. No more leak.